my dear minds, in this lesson you're going to get acquainted with the nominative case, when it's used, and what endings it has. Let's start. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and you won't miss my new videos. The nominative case is an initial form of a noun, pronoun, adjective, and number. I want to remind you that only nouns, pronouns, number, and adjectives have cases. The nominative case is the easiest one out of all 6 cases. Remember, in dictionaries, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and numbers are always used in the nominative case. Nouns and pronouns, being in the nominative case, are usually the subject of a verb in a sentence. For example, number 1. Я люблю искусство. I love art. The subject «я» is in the nominative case. Number 2. Собаки сидят на ступеньках. Dogs are sitting on the stairs. Собаки, the subject, is in the nominative case. Number 3. Машина не заводится. The car won't start. Машина, the subject, is in the nominative case. Nouns in the nominative case are also used in the nominal part of the predicate. For example, number 1. Его брат – врач. Брат and врач are both used in the nominative case. Number 2. Это стул. Это and стул are both used in the nominative case. Number 3. Я адвокат. The pronoun я and адвокат, they are both used in the nominative case. The questions что, what, and кто, who, are the questions of the nominative case. For example, я люблю искусство. Кто любит искусство? Who loves art? Я. Собаки сидят на ступеньках. Кто сидят на ступеньках? Who are sitting on the stairs? Собаки. Машина не заводится. Что не заводится? What won't start? Машина. Verbs after these questions are used in the third person. For example, кто любит искусство? Кто сидят на ступеньках? Что не заводится? Let's remember the endings of the singular nouns in the nominative case. Masculine singular nouns have a consonant, the letter y, or the soft sign at the end in the nominative case. For example, number 1, stол, a table. Number 2, клей, glue. Number 3, день, a day. Singular nouns which denote males have the letter a or ya at the end. For example, дядя, uncle, папа, father. Feminine singular nouns have the letter a, ya, or the soft sign at the end in the nominative case. For example, number 1, машина, a car. Number 2, змея, a snake. Number 3, печь, an oven. Neuter singular nouns and the letters o or ye in the nominative case. For example, number 1, стекло, glass. Number 2, солнце, the sun. If you want to get more information about the endings of gender, watch lesson 12. I leave the link to this lesson in the description below. Masculine and feminine plural nouns have the letter e or ui at the end in the nominative case. For example, number 1, билеты, tickets. Number 2, собаки, dogs. Neuter plural nouns have a or я in the nominative case. For example, окна, windows, моря, the seas. If you don't remember how to make plural nouns, go to lessons 13 and 14. I leave the links to these lessons in the description below. Pause the video and translate the sentences from English into Russian. Check yourself. Number 1. Моя сестра учитель. Number 2. Это карандаш. Number 3. Я вожу машину. Number 4. Ее друг любит читать. Number 5. Девочки слушают музыку. Pause the video and find the words which are in the nominative case in these sentences. Check yourself. Number 1. Сестра. Number 2. Учитель. Number 3. Карандаш. Number 4. Я. Number 5. Друг. Number 6. Девочки. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new videos. Пока!